Today I'm with Dr. Charles Lee and I'll be doing Hydrafacial with Super Stem Cell Serum. So we're going to try this out today. So with this Hydrafacial and Super Stem Cell Serum, we're going to prepare my skin for my next microneedling session. So as you can see, my scars on this cheek, actually both cheeks, they used to be this deep. Scars used to be that deep, but after the first microneedling, you can see that it's less obvious. This is the first skincare in Sabah that contains stem cells. So I'm excited to try and see what the results are. Set a reminder on the 29th of August, Dr. Charles Lee will be talking about stem cells in skincare that will turn back the clock naturally, as natural as possible with stem cells. Send your details to Dr. Charles Lee at 016-824-5224. So this is what came out from my face. Look how bad that is. Ooh. I just finished my Hydrafacial and I feel really fresh. It feels so good. Everyone should try this.